what entrepreneurs don't recognize when they're pitching to publications. What are some things that entrepreneurs can do before they pitch to a platform, Forbes, Entrepreneur, et cetera, et cetera?
Yeah, sure. Okay, I'm gonna go through this real quick. So you
Mm-hmm.
want to come from a purpose-driven place, not an ego-driven place.
Mm-hmm.
So you're not pitching your success story. You're pitching the problem that you solve.
Mm-hmm.
The second thing you want to do is you want to make sure that your audience is aligned with where you're pitching. So you don't just pitch to Forbes because that's a publication you like to read. You should study who actually is tuned in, who's the audience of Forbes or Fast Company or Entrepreneur. And you can do that easily by Googling their media kit. You'll find a complete breakdown. The next thing is make sure you have all your creative collateral, so your headshots, product photos, media kit, etc. Make sure all your links work, and make sure you're concise. So being very brief. You don't want to send an editor a pitch that's like 1,000 words. You want to get straight to the point. Organize. I can't even stress enough. Email etiquette is not something that's common. Organize your email so it's easy to read, spacing, bolds, spell checking, and personalize it, right? Don't just jump into your pitch. Personalize the email and let it be known that you actually really enjoy reading the column of the specific writer. Oh, and engage with the writer on social media. You know what I mean? That's a really great way to kind of warm them up. And when you land in their inbox, it's a familiar name.
Yeah, big gem. Big gem. Yeah. Better pick it up. All right. Working towards wrapping up, what have we not covered that you'd like to speak about?
Mm-hmm. I have a mentorship program called New Girl on the Block. I started it in 2015. And to date, I've mentored over 200 women in 10 countries. Mentorship is really important to me because when I dropped out of school, I had to stand on the shoulders of giants. And I think especially as women of color, as Black women, we need people who are going to advocate for us. There's just certain rooms we will not get invites to. And so my mentorship program is really important to me. You know what I mean? I have a very high success rate. And it's not because I'm teaching any magical business strategies. I'm hacking their brains. A lot of people have problems with critical thinking, problem solving, time management, organization. And so like I get to the roots, the routines, rituals, tactics, behavioral patterns. And I really get to like the foundation, that helps them propel themselves.
Amazing. And where can people find that?
newgirlontheblock.com.
Amazing. Oh, and you had something to say?
No. I know we're running out of time, so I think we should work towards wrapping
Got you. Once again, Pauleanna, thank you so much for being on the podcast. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the hustle is what you can control. So control your grind and control your life. Thank you for watching that video. To see the next video, click right over here. And to subscribe, click right over here. Peace.